The new gardening club at Washington Park School has attracted a lot of interest from students of various grades. As Lyedia Gutekunst reports, the reasons for joining are as varied as the colors on flowers.
I keep making more.
Why do people like to garden? They love the beauty of the flowers. Some enjoy the fresh taste of fruits and vegetables, while others find it a satisfying and relaxing activity.
I joined because I thought it'd be a fun experience to take out weeds and plant vegetables and flowers.
I joined it because it's an extracurricular activity that I could do, and it seemed like really fun and it could help the environment. I absolutely love it. It's like really fun to do.
The club was started by Mr. Tracy, the vice principal. He said he came up with the idea during a trip.
So the idea for the gardening club was born back in 2019 on a summer trip that I took to California. And school was still in session at that time in California. I saw one of the middle schools out in California, they were working on their garden. So the inspiration was drawn from there, and it came to birth this year, and it's been quite an experience so far.
Gardening is very popular in the United States. According to the National Gardening Survey, over 1/3 of households anticipate increasing their spending on lawn and gardening products in 2023, especially for food gardening. Furthermore, NGS says that, quote, participation in lawn and gardening activities remained high in 2022 with a 5-year high of 80% of households taking part.
We're planting corn, sunflowers, pumpkins. The pumpkins are starting to sprout a little bit. Parsley, radishes, and a lot more.
The club is a lot of fun and is also challenging, even for students who already like to plant.
You water them and the sun and air, and then it comes through into a flower.
Organizing any new club can be both challenging and rewarding.
I think the best thing about this whole thing is just to see how the school community has come together. A lot of the students have been very excited, and they've really gotten down and dirty to help out with the garden, and just the excitement in all the students' eyes to whether it be watering the garden, whether it be planting some of the different materials. There's just excitement all around the school about this.
Many people have different opinions about gardening. Some love the idea, but others don't like to get dirty.
So really what it was just gathering student volunteers. We were lucky we were able to purchase the boxes and the different seeds and different materials to get this going. And I think the most difficult part was clearing the land. And we had some weather issues in the spring, but besides that, it's been a great success.
Do you personally garden?
No, I do not. I do not have a green thumb at all. Actually, I've had a history of killing plants. But so the students have been great on Googling and looking up the information on how to care for the plants, and we've had success so far with their seedlings.
Whether it was gathering materials, dealing with rain, or facing Canadian forest fires, the gardening club has quickly become a popular and practical activity. Lyedia Gutekunst, TVN.